train a roll, all aboard. Midnight hour upon the Kingston rail, moonlight shine pon the rusty trail. Babylon system start grow pale when the liberation sail. Old conductor call out loud, freedom riders leave the crowd. No more bowing, meek and bold, stand strong, stand proud. Chain one slack on mind and hand, history scarp on every land. But destiny no under command of a wicked ruling band. From plantation, field and cane, rise the echo of the pain. Now redemption ride the train, freedom we reclaim. Black liberation train, rolling through the storm and rain. Break the shackles, break the chain. Black liberation train, black liberation train, carry up through every lane. Rise again and rise again. Black liberation train. Marcus voice still guide the rail. Tell the children never fail. Build your nation strong and hail. Self-reliance shall prevail. Every carriage full of dream, brighter than it ever seemed. Unity the engine steam, justice the regime. Babylon try block the track, throw confusion in a sack. But once the train start moving back, it never turns slack. From Harlem Street to Congo Plain, every soul feel the same pain. Now them hear the freedom refrain, calling them again. Black liberation train, sound the whistle once again. Carry through every brain. Black liberation train. Hear me now, ticket price no silver nor gold. Only courage to be bold. Leave the lies that you've been told and board the train of old. Station name redemption gate, destination conscious state. Departure time, it never late, but hesitation seal your fate. Me see the ghetto youth them climb, seeking future past the grime. Hope inside them hearts sublime, freedom right on time. Me sister sing with tearful eye, watch the iron monster fly. Carrying dreams toward the sky, lift them spirits high. Ancestors way from memory land, guide the journey close at hand. Tell the youth to understand, freedom must be planned. From desert road to island shore, people knocking at the door. Hear the engine mighty roar, slavery no more. Black liberation train, rolling steady through the pain. History never been in vain. Black liberation train, black liberation train. And just the people once again, power flowing through the vein. Black liberation train. Train no stop for coward mind, fear and doubt it leave behind. Only those who seek shall find, truth refined. Track laid down by sacrifice, heroes pay the every price. Freedom never come from dice, wisdom must suffice. Future built by conscience and education. land. Unity across the sand, make the people stand. So when the whistle blow tonight, and the headlamp blaze so bright, step aboard and claim your right. Walk into the light, black liberation train, rolling through the train, calling out each name. Black liberation train, freedom we retain, justice we decay. Black liberation train, rolling through the chain, calling out each name. Black liberation train, freedom we retain, justice we proclaim.
Bingy drum a beat, from the mountain to the street. Ancient sound with me, now ya bingy. Deep inna the hills when the night breeze blow, firelight dance while the river slow. Ancient drums start echo low, calling souls we never know. From Ethiopia spirit call, through the valley and jungle wall. Hear the sacred thunder roll, now ya bingy voice for one and all. Babylon tremble when rhythm start, truth vibration shake the heart. Long before them up and chart, drummer play its sacred part. Not just beat for dance and sway, but message from my ancient day. Guide the righteous on the way, through the night till break of day. Ancient drum of Naya Bingi, beat of truth and liberty. Wake the mind and set we free. Ancient drum of Naya Bingi, ancient drum of Naya Bingi. Heartbeat of divinity, shine down all captivity. Ancient drum of Naya Bingi. When the priests them start fi chant, Babylon wall begin slam. Fire blazing at the camp, truth louder than any arm. Three drum talking harmony, bass funde, repeater free. Sound like river in a sea, ancient African decree. Each vibration carry word, even when them seem unheard. Spirit voice inside the chord, blessing from the living Lord. Me feel ancestors close tonight, dancing in a drum beat light. Guide the youth fi stand and fight for truth and right. Oh yeah, ancient drum and Naya Bingi, call the tribe in unity, sing redemption melody. Ancient drum of Naya Bingi, yeah me now. Before radio, before microphone, drummer carry message cross the zone. From mountain throne to desert stone, each beat a prophecy unknown. Babylon fear the sacred sound, cause it wake the sleeping ground. Break the mental chain them found, spread liberation all around. Get to youth hear the distant beat, feel the power in a them feet. Know them destiny complete, when the rhythm and the soul meet. Old man smile with knowing eye, hear the ancient echo night. speak with lying tongue. Truth ring clear when it is sung. Young and old become as one when the sacred beat begun. Not by sword nor bullet ray, but by wisdom break the chain. Healing through the sacred strain. Ease the heart and brain. Life and rhythm rise and fall. Every soul must heed the call. Stand together, stand up tall. Are divided, we will fall. So beat the drum both night and day. Let it guide the righteous way, till corruption fade away and justice stay. Ancient drum of Nyabinghi, sound of truth eternally, guide the world to unity. Ancient drum of Nyabinghi, beat of love and liberty. Ancient drum of Nyabinghi, eerie drum still beating. Ancient wisdom speaking. Rasta heart awakening. Nyabinghi. Hear the whistle blow from the valley low. Freedom train a roll, all aboard. Midnight hour upon the Kingston rail. Moonlight shine pon the rusty trail. Babylon system start grow pale when the liberation sail. Old conductor call out loud. Freedom riders leave the crowd. No more bowing, meek and bold. Stand strong, stand proud. Chain one slack on mind and hand. History scarp on every land. But destiny no under command of a wicked ruling band. From plantation, field and cane, rise the echo of the pain. Now redemption ride the train. Freedom we reclaim. Black liberation train, rolling through the storm and rain. Break the shackles, break the chain. Black liberation train. Black liberation train, carry up through every lane. Rise again and rise again. Black liberation train. Marcus voice still guide the rail. Tell the children never fail. Build your nation strong and hail. Self-reliance shall prevail. Every carriage full of dream, brighter than it ever seemed. Unity the engine steam, justice the regime. Babylon try block the track, throw confusion in a sack. But once the train start moving back, it never turns slack. From Harlem Street to Congo Plain, every soul feel the same pain. Now them hear the freedom refrain, calling them again. Black liberation train, sound the whistle once again. Carry through every brain. Black liberation train. Hear me now, ticket price no silver nor gold. Only courage fi be bold. Leave the lies that you've been told and board the train of old. Station name Redemption Gate, destination conscious state. Departure
future time. It never late, but hesitation seal your fate. Me see the ghetto youth them climb, seeking future past the grime. Hope inside them hearts sublime, freedom right on time. Me sister sing with tearful eye, watch the iron monster fly, carrying dreams toward the sky, lift them spirits high. Ancestors way from memory land, guide the journey close at hand. Tell the youth to understand, freedom must be planned. From desert road to island shore, people knocking at the door. Hear the engine mighty roar, slavery no more, black liberation train, rolling steady through the pain. History never been in vain. Black liberation train, black liberation train, and youth the people once again, power flowing through the vein. Black liberation train, train no stop for coward mind, fear and doubt it leave behind. Only those who seek shall find, truth refined. Track laid down by sacrifice, heroes pay the every price. Freedom never come from dice, wisdom must suffice. Future built by conscience and education shape the land. Unity across the sand, make the people stand. So when the whistle blow tonight, and the headlamp blaze so bright, step aboard and claim your right. Walk into the light, black liberation train, rolling through the train, calling out each name. Black liberation train, freedom we retain, justice we decay. Black liberation train, rolling through the chain, calling out each name. Black liberation train, freedom we retain, justice we proclaim.
Bingy drum a beat, from the mountain to the street, ancient sound we mean. Now ya bingy, deep in the hills when the night breeze blow, firelight dance while the river slow, ancient drums start echo low, calling souls we never know. From Ethiopia spirit call, through the valley and jungle wall, hear the sacred thunder roll. Now ya bingy voice for one and all. Babylon tremble when rhythm start, truth vibration shake the heart. Long before them up and chart, drummer played sacred part, not just beat for dance and sway, but message from my ancient day, guide the righteous on the way, through the night till break of day. Ancient drum of Naya Bingi, beat of truth and liberty, wake the mind and set we free. Ancient drum of Naya Bingi, ancient drum of Naya Bingi, heartbeat of divinity, shine down all captivity. Ancient drum of Naya Bingi, when the priests them start all begin slum. Fire blazing at the camp. Truth louder than any harm. Three drum talking harmony. Bass Funday, repeater free. Sound like river in a sea. Ancient African decree. Each vibration carry word. Even when them seem unhard. Spirit voice inside the chord. Blessing from the living Lord. Me feel ancestors close tonight. Dancing in a drum beat light. Guide the youth fi stand and fight for truth and right. Oh yeah, ancient drum and I bingy. Call the tribe in unity. Sing redemption melody. Ancient drum and I bingy. Yeah, me now. Before radio, before microphone. Drummer carry message cross the zone. From mountain throne to desert stone, each beat a prophecy unknown. Babylon fear the sacred sound, cause it wake the sleeping ground. Break the mental chain them found. Spread liberation all around. Get to youth hear the distant beat. Feel the power in a them feet. Know them destiny complete. When the rhythm and the soul meet. Old man smile with knowing eye. Hear the ancient echo night. Wisdom never truly die. Truth forever amplify. Drum remind we who we be. Royal root and family tree. History deeper than the sea. Africa in identity. So when confusion cloud the mind and wickedness seem intertwined, listen close and you will find guidance in the ancient line. Ancient drum of Nyabingi, sacred sound of unity. Break the chain of slavery. Ancient drum of Nyabingi, ancient drum of Nyabingi. Beat of love and harmony, guide the people spiritually. Ancient drum of Nyabingi. Drum no speak with lying tongue. Truth ring clear when it is sung. Young and old become as one. When the sacred beat begun. Not by sword nor bullet ray, but by wisdom break the chain. Healing through the sacred strain. Ease the heart and brain. Life and rhythm rise and fall. Every soul must heed the call. Stand together, stand up tall. Are divided, we will fall. So beat the drum both night and day. Let it guide the righteous way. Till corruption fade away and justice stay. Ancient drum of Nyabingi, sound of truth eternally. Guide the world to unity. Ancient drum of Nyabingi, beat of love and liberty. Ancient drum of Nyabingi, eerie drum still beating. Ancient wisdom speaking. Rastafari.